Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Uh, Today I'm going to show you how to speed up your Android phone, and I'm not gonna lie like other YouTubers and say, oh, it's gonna speed up like 500x or like 100x speed. No, it's not gonna make your phone like that faster. And to tell you the truth, you're gonna see some significant improvement in your phone speed. Yeah, let's say it could be double your speed. So all you need to do is you need to change only one setting, which I'll show you in this video tutorial. Without further ado, let's get started. First thing, just gonna go settings and then tap on about phone. Then once you come over here, you're gonna tap on software information, and you need to turn your phone into developer mode, which I'll show you in a minute how to do it. And in order to do that, you need to tap it on build number, I believe 6 or 7 times. See, you are now 3 steps away from developer mode, so I have to tap it like 3 more times. I'm just gonna enter my PIN number. Then once you come over here, there are like so many options over here, right? You're just gonna tap it on build number again. Okay, let me show you. If you go back to settings, you'll see there's another option over here, developer options. Okay, once you come over here, I'm gonna look for animation. Some has it, some phone it doesn't, so let me check it out. See, right over here, Windows animation skills, transition scale, and animator duration scale is set to 1x. So what I'm going to do is I'm just gonna turn off that Windows animation off, and then I'm gonna turn off this one too, transition animation scale off, and then animator duration scale, I'm gonna turn it off. So that's what I need to do. And as I told you before, it's not gonna speed up your phone like 100x or like 200x or like 1000%, as like some YouTubers claim. I've seen like video like that, so I'm not gonna lie to you, and I'm not gonna give you any like bull crap, which I hate that. Honestly speaking, it's gonna speed up your phone for sure. And to be honest with you, like it's not gonna be like 100x whatever, but it's gonna be double your speed. You'll see a significant change in your phone. Okay, so if you like this video, please consider subscribing to my channel, and until next time, stay fit. Thanks for watching.